Unravel the mystery. Collocations in natural sciences. Hello learners. Welcome back to our series on advanced vocabulary in academic English. Today we're diving into a new topic: collocations in natural sciences. As we explore this exciting realm, we'll be focusing on how specific words naturally come together in the context of scientific discourse. Remember, understanding and using collocations can significantly enhance your English language proficiency, especially in academic writing. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the specific examples in natural sciences, let's quickly recap what collocations are. Collocations are words that often go together naturally. They just sound right to people who have been speaking English for a long time. For example, we say, brush your teeth, not wash your teeth. It's the same in academic English. Certain words typically collocate with each other, forming a more academic tone. Natural sciences encompass various fields like biology, physics, and chemistry. Today, we'll delve into some common collocations that you'll come across in these domains. 1. Conduct an experiment. This is commonly used in all fields of natural sciences, which refers to carrying out a scientific test. 2. Observations were made. A passive form often used to explain what was noticed during an experiment. 3. Draw a conclusion. This is used when summarizing the findings of an experiment or study. 4. Formulate a hypothesis. Often used in the initial stages of scientific research, it refers to creating an idea or theory that is not proven but leads to further study or discussion. Remember, these are just examples. The real beauty of collocations comes with using them in your own writing and speaking, so don't hesitate to try them out. To truly master these collocations, we need to practice. Try using these collocations in sentences or even in a small paragraph. Here's an example. After conducting an experiment, we made several observations. These observations allowed us to draw a conclusion which helped formulate a new hypothesis for further investigation. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep trying. And that brings us to the end of our journey exploring collocations in natural sciences. I hope you found this video helpful and are now more comfortable with these subject-specific collocations. Remember, understanding and using these collocations can significantly improve your English, especially in an academic setting. So, don't shy away from practicing. I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!